Okay, so I'm just doing step-by-step execution. I'm creating this object. Okay, now this object will be empty. Nothing was there. Okay, then I'm getting the reference of this input field. Sorry, I just came out of debugger. I just came out of debugger. I have pressed the execution. Okay, I'm just getting the reference of the input field. Then, using the reference of the input field, I'm getting whatever the value is there in it. Okay. Now, if you see here, my f name is having value initial because I haven't entered anything. Okay. Now it should go to my else part. Yeah. Now it should go to the if part. Okay. Now if you see here, here there is no component called f name. I'm just adding it now. Okay. I have added it. Now if you see here what we did, we have one field called f name and it has some. Yeah. Okay. Now, when, yes. Okay, we are not using this object as of now. We just store it for now. We will be using it in the next page. Okay, that's why I'm capturing it. Now, the important thing which we want to understand is we are going to create a message now. Okay, so in SAP, we have this message manager. So we will create a message through that message manager. It will display. Okay, here, and it will display it in the message area. Okay, here we have something called message bar. Okay, what this message bar does is it will display the list of messages given to it. Okay, for that you have to instantiate this message bar. Now throughout my all my application, I wanted to use only one message bar, right? Yeah, any application you are going to use only one message manager, right? Yeah, that is the place only place where you wanted to display all. In a CPU, it will be there, but in here it is a different pattern, right? And in Wipro, you have this message manager that will do the job. Here you don't have the message manager, you have to create one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in the controller, if you see here, we have this hookup methods. In the controller, if you see here, we have this hookup method before rendering, after rendering, do init. Okay, this on init is initial to that of do init method in WT. Okay, so when we wanted to instantiate something, we do it at the very beginning, right? We will do it in the we want before the view is getting displayed. If you wanted to instantiate something, you will do it in do init method, right? Okay, so likewise, I'm here instantiating my message manager in the okay. What I have done is I have created an instance of the message bar. See here, I have created the instance of the message bar. Hello. Okay, I have created an instance of the message bar. Okay, I say you can list maximum up to 7 messages. 7 messages. Which one? No, no, no. I'm saying whenever the message is getting displayed, up to 7 messages. There can be any number of messages. Okay. I don't want to fill the screen with messages only. So I will give up to 7 messages. Suppose say 10 messages are triggered. Then what will happen is 7 will be displayed initially and the 3 will be hidden under a scroll bar. Okay. So all the text will be displayed. Initially 7 will be displayed. After that, whatever the message will be coming, scroll bar will be introduced. Then we have to scroll and see the other messages. Okay. So I am setting it in a default message area. That is what this anchor ID does. Yeah, message bar area is the default message area. Okay, I am setting this message bar in the message bar area. Okay, here in the else part I am going to handle this message. Okay, so we have three different types of messages, right? We have error, success, and warning, right? Yeah, we have error, warning, and success. We have all these three types of messages. No error now. Okay, so what I have to do is yes, okay. Here I am getting the reference of the message manager. Okay, whatever is the message which we have created, I am getting the reference in the you are understanding this line. We have created a message bar right in the unit method. We have created the ID message bar. Okay, now here I am passing the ID and I am getting the reference here. Okay, because this is declared within the method, it is local to the method. Okay, okay, here in the doInt method, I am declaring the message bar. I am giving the ID message bar. Whatever we have declared here is local within this method. That is number now, that's right. Okay, okay. Here I am getting the reference of the message bar which I have created in the doInt method. Okay. Here I am going to create the message now. For creating the message, we have a separate class. So we have a separate class called message sap.ui.commons.message. So I am creating the instance of the message. While creating, I am providing the type as error. Okay. Now, if you are not familiar what to provide, you can just explore this library function. It's called message type. Okay. Here you have this error success and warning. Click on error, the type what you have to specify for the error message. So we have specified the type as error message and I am creating a now what is the text that should appear for the message? Okay. Giving the text should appear as first line cannot be empty. Okay. Now here this message bar display n number of messages, right? So I have to provide that all the messages in the internal or array. Hello. See here, this message bar display n number of messages, right? So I have to provide these messages as a internal table or array in JavaScript. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create an array and I'm going to capture in that array whatever the messages which we are creating. Okay, so declare an array. When you say like this, it is an array. When you say like this, it is an object. Okay, Yeah, this kind of bracket. This is a different bracket and this is a different bracket. Okay. Here, so I am so to append to the internal table we use the keyword append, right? Likewise, to insert a record inside the array we use the keyword push. So array dot push. What is the value I am inserting? Okay, I have inserted one record now. I will use this message bar to display the message. Okay, you are getting it. Using the message bar, I am calling the method add messages and I am displaying the list of messages which I have captured throughout the function. Okay, now we will see this in the debugger. Reloading the page. Now I am not entering anything because I wanted the error to be displayed. Okay. So clicking on submit button for line by line execution. Which is going on. Got the reference of the message bar, then got the value of the f name. F name is initial, so it will go to the else part. Okay, I am creating the error message, giving the text for the message. Then I have collected all the messages within an array. Okay, then using the message bar, I am passing all the messages that I have collected and I am asking it to display through the method add messages. Okay, now if you see here, you got the message in the top. Yes, left side. Here. Okay. Yes, only one message I have triggered. Yeah, we have validated only F name, right? So like this, you have to validate all other fields. Okay. Of course, you have to get the last name. The last name is initial. If not, get the error message. Text for the error message, then put it inside the array. Then finally, display all the messages which are there in the. Okay. Now, if you see here, I have given this one as the message, but then I am highlighting this field. Then how come user will know which field he has to enter? Okay. So if you take any UI element, it has a state, it has a property called value state. Yeah, which means whether the UI element is having the proper value or it is containing the error value. It is in the error state. Okay. Now I'm going to say, yeah, either it is going to be success or error. Yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that value property to indicate that this first name is containing error. Okay. So how do I do that? I already have the reference to the input field. Okay, using that, I am going to call the center method for value state. I'm setting the value state as error. Okay, okay. So I am passing the value state error. Okay. So to the input field I am setting that you are containing error. Application. Now when I trigger the error message, sorry, here it is not refreshed. Yes, it is not refreshing. Okay. Now I also got the error message. Also have the indication that which field is containing the error. Okay. Now when I click on this value, then when I click on the submit button, I'm still having these messages, right? But I have entered it. Now I want this to go away when I clear the action this time. So what I'm going to do is, whenever I enter the value, I'm going to make the error status positive. It is not containing error. None. Okay, whenever the value is entered, it will come inside this, right? Sami, whenever I enter the value, it will come inside this, right? This statement. Statement. I'm setting the value state again to none, which means it is not error. Okay. I am clearing the message bar each and every time. Set the value state property. No, no, it's not entering some value. State represent whether it is error or it is okay item. Yes. So here what I'm saying is this is containing error. Now this is not containing error. That is what I'm saying here. Okay, by setting the value state property. Yeah. Yes. I'm checking whether it is initial. Initial check. Yes, I'm checking whether it is. Yes. Okay. That validation was not done. I'm doing it here actually. Here I'm checking. See, I received the value whatever is there in the input. Checking whether that value is fit or not. Okay. If it is not initial, then you proceed with this operation. Else you throw the error if it is initial. If it is initial, throw the error. If not initial, it is not giving some other error. Why should it give error? I'm not giving error here. I'm storing the value in the object. This one only will come red color. Error state. Yeah, it will come to the first part, right? This one, earlier, what happened? When I have this error, it got red. Okay. Now, even after the entering the value, it is still in red color, right? You are not getting it. Even after even after I am entering the value, it is still in red color. Okay. Now, if you see here, I will just comment this line. This is what bothering you, right? I have commented that line. Okay. Now I am refreshing this page. Now there is nothing. right? I have clicked on submit. Error message is triggered. This one is red color. Okay. Now I am clicking on. I am giving some value. Now when I again click on submit, this is still in red, right? I don't want that. I want that to clear. So that's why when the value is filled, it will come inside, right? At that point of time, I am changing the state back to normal. So if you see here now, clearing the error, error has came. Now I have entered the value.